So hello everyone, my topic is clockless chip and my name is Akash Chasatia 21C020. So clockless chips are electronic chips that are not using clock for timing signal. They are implemented in asynchronous circuits, and asynchronous circuit is a circuit in which the parts are largely autonomous. Introduction: struggle for the improvement in the microprocessor performance functioning, pipelining, multi-threading, clockless asynchronous logic. Problems with synchronous approach: distributing the clock globally, wastage of energy, traverse the chip's longest wires in one clock cycle, order of arrival of the signals in unimportant, and clock themselves consume a lot of energy. Synchronous circuit, this is the diagram you can see. Longest path determines the minimum clock period and dissipation of energy for each clock cycle. EMI is more in synchronous elements. Here is the diagram. Clockless chips, asynchronous logic circuits. Clockless chips, asynchronous self-timed circuits and functions away from the clock. Different parts work at different speeds and hands off the result immediately. This is for clock time cycle versus clockless time cycle. There is cycle time of clock logic. In blue color, cycle time of clockless logic, and other manufacturing margin, clock jitter, and a worst case, average case. In figure we can see synchronous, there is lot of time, and in asynchronous not more time. How do they work? No pure asynchronous chips are available. Uses handshake signals for the data exchange. Data moves only when required, not always, and minimizes power consumptions. Less EMI, less noise, more applications. Stream data applications. Simple and efficient design. No centralized clock required, and centralized components can be used. Advantages: works at its average speed, low power consumption, twice lifetime, less heat generated, good to mobile devices, less EMI, less noise, more applications. Smart cards due to asynchronous nature. Advantages: technical look. This is a technical look in the figure of asynchronous for higher performance. Data dependent delays, and all carries bits need to be computed. Here we can see in the figure. This is another advantages. Technical look, continue. uh, Here in the figure we can see the divide by 2, 2 raised to 1, after that divide by 2 raised to 2, divide by 2 raised to n. Asynchronous for low power, consumes power only when and where active, and illustrated through frequency divide, and rest of the time returns to a non-disappointing dissipating state until next activation. Advantage is technical look, asynchronous for low power, almost fixed power consumption achieved. Many applications such as filter bank for digital hearing, infrared communication receiver, double battery life. Advantages: uh, calcul- calculated gate and interconnect delay versus technology generation. The interconnect is an aluminum wire of 43 mu and length and 0.8 mu thickness. Here the graph is delay versus generation. Heterogeneous timing, gate delays, interconnection delays. Heterogeneous system would increase the delays in the circuit. So thank you.